Are you a homemaker? Do you maybe have children or some health issues? Are you exhausted? Do you find that you're struggling to maintain an organized household? I used to be convinced that I would never get a handle on things. And let me tell you, it all starts with food. Food is one of your household's greatest expenses. Have you thought seriously about establishing a food budget? In this video, I'm going to share with you my top 3 tips to get you on the road to successful food budgeting. And trust me, if I can do it, you can do it too. Let's get into it. Number 1 is goals. Too many people try to start a food budget or a meal plan without thinking it through. And in my experience with everything that a homemaker has to juggle, this will only lead to failure. If you have a clear and achievable goal, maybe you want to get out of debt or you want to buy a house, this will be your solid motivation to stick to your food budget even when times get tough. Your goals for saving money will help you triumph over emotions and will help you to resist the temptation to be careless with your finances. Number 2 is simplicity. Take the burden off your shoulders and just eat as simply as you can. This is cheaper and it also has the added bonus of being quicker to prepare. Here in Tradish, we specialize in simple traditional dishes. These have the advantage of being affordable, simple, and healthy. Check out our many recipes here and on our website that can save you time and money. Number 3 is to organize and strategize. One sure way to simplify your meals, save money, and reduce waste is to be as organized as possible. You'll want to think cleverly about your shopping. A penny saved is a penny earned. That means that by saving your money, you're in fact making money. Start treating your household and your kitchen like a business. Make sure that everything in your pantry has a purpose and is going to be used up soon. And remember your financial goals. Trust me, your purse and your sanity will thank you for it. I know that for homemakers, the struggle is real. So if you found these 3 tips valuable, please like and share with your friends and subscribe for more valuable content. For advanced food budgeting tips, we're developing a course for homemakers just like you. For a limited time, we're giving away a massive 40% pre-sale discount on our Mastering the Home food budgeting course. In this course, we can help you articulate your money spending problems, find solutions, and implement practical tips to get you on the way to saving money. See the link in the video description and apply the code on the screen at checkout. I hope to see you there and keep it tradish. So if you want, I'm distracted by your face. Your face is like doing all these things. Okay.